Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chimba Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matar reader. Sa ngayong hapon na to, at ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Aries. So guys, Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices sa spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito namin sayo ng ating mga gabay. And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin channel. Lalong-lalo na yung hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng langit at may kapal. So, umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit Messages. Get my information for the sign of Aries. There's a Two of Wands. Laging Two of Wands talaga yung atake nitong eksena na to, ha? There's a two of what? No? Or there's a decision. Or ways, no? Or path. Ganon. Or because there's a Queen of Pentacles, there's a practicality pagdating sa finances. Maging mautak pagdating sa finances, no? And because there is a Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Kailangan proteksyonan yung mga pinaghirapan mo. At kailangan mo mag-budget. At the same time, there's Seven of Wands. Because protectionan mo yung ground, so protectionan mo yung territoryo, yung finances mo, no? And you are being protected. And of course, there's a Justice card. May hustisya daw dito, no? And of course, kumbaga justice will serve, yung good karma ay makakamtan mo. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako ng water. Okay, let's proceed. What is additional messages? Justice card is a balance, ha? Because there's a Three of Pentacles. Kumbaga collaboration, teamwork. And because, there's a companies, no? Kumbaga, parang pakikipag-coordinate, no, with your co-workers or sinasabi maging balanse ka. What is the Two of Wands? And of course, there's a Three of Wands. There's a waiting for a result or waiting for a ship or something, a travel, or waiting for, kumbaga, waiting for a travel dito. Kumbaga, nagdidesisyon ka saan ka pupuntang bansa or saan ka pupuntang lugar. Kumbaga, parang kailangan maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon dito, ha. With the Queen of Pentacles, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough, no? Kumbaga, this is your moment na parang about sa finances, maging mautak ka. So, what is the Four of Pentacles? There's a King of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, there is wise and an intellectual person. No? Kailangan maging matalino at wise kapag dating sa mga pinaghirapan mo. No? May mga taong lalapit sa'yo, susubukan ka, utuin, susubukan kang bulahin, susubukan kang tawag ito, ibudol, gano'n. So, what is the Seven of Wands? And of course, there is a Six of Cups. Protection mo yung sarili mo dito laban sa sa past person mo, no? There's an ex. Kailangang protection mo yung sarili mo dyan. What is the Justice? And of course, there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling, no? Kailangan makinig ka sa mga gut feeling mo and of course, intuitions mo, no? And of course, Justice will good karma. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, magpahinga ka lang dyan. Kumalma ka sa akin ang eksena. Parang ganun sinasabi ng Justice dito. Kumbaga, bibigyan kita ng hustisya at balanse. Kumalma ka muna, magpahinga mo na, orlok ka muna dyan. What is the Three of Pentacles? What is the Three of Pentacles? What is the Three of Pentacles? There's an Hermit card, no? There's a soul enlightenment, soul searching, no? May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa'yo about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Okay, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a teamwork or there's an information na kailangan mong magkaroon ng kumbaga enlightenment, no? What is the Two of Wands and of course the Three of Wands? And of course there's the Lovers and the Three of Cups. See? There's a partnership and of course sinasabi dito there's the Lovers. About dito sa baka some of you with your friends, no? Kasama mo sa pag-alis ng friends mo. And of course, there's the Lovers involved. Okay. What is the Queen of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords? There's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling. Pagdating sa finances, makinig ka sa vibration mo. Kasi this is your moment na, kumbaga, siguro, nag-iisip ka kung gusto mo magnegosyo or magtrabaho or magbukas na lang ng business. So, parang makinig ka sa gut feeling mo dito kasi yung gut feeling na yan, diyan ka ituturo sa tamang landas mo. What is the Four of Pentacles and of course the King of Swords? What is the Four of Pentacles and the King of Swords? There's a Five of Pentacles in reverse. So, ibig sabihin dito, no more regret, no? Kumbaga walang panghihinayang at walang masasayang na eksena dito. Kailangan maging wise at least to ka. What is the Seven of Wands and the Six of Cups? And of course, there's a Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time. At the end of the time, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng harvest time daw dito. No? Kumbaga yung mga bagay na kumbaga nangyari sa'yo from the past, di ba? Kumbaga lahat ng mga paghihirap at sakripisyo mo, this is your moment na you are being protected. Makukuha mo what you deserve. What is the Justice and of course the Four of Swords? There's an Emperor. Be mature enough and be grounded, no? At sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging mature ka, deadma, kumbaga, kapag may mga tao or sitwasyon kang, kumbaga, hindi nagugustuhan, pakawalan mo, at makinig ka sa intuition mo, ipahinga mo yan kaysa sumausaw ka dyan sa mga issues dyan, no? Maging mature ka at maging balanse ka. So, what is the Three of Pentacles and the Hermit card? There's a Ten of Swords, there's a backstabbing, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong trader or meron dito nagbabackstab sa'yo sa katrabaho mo, kaya mag-ingat ka. No, at parang matutuklasan mo naman yan. So, what is the outcome overall? There's the Full card, no? Magtiwala at huwag ka masyado magtitiwala. For the Full card, magtiwala ka, the new beginning is coming. Pero huwag ka nagtitiwala sa mga taong lumalapit sa iyo o yung mga taong sinira na yung tiwala mo. Kasi may mga tao dyan sa paligid mo na susubukan ka ulit-ululit or buyuhin or something na ibudol, no? Because there's a judgment, there's a awakening. Kumbaga, there's a red flag or there's a divine intervention. May mga paalala sa yung divine. Or sinasabi ng judgment to dito na parang magising ka sa katotohanan, di ba? Parang nangyari na yan, nauulit ba ulit? Or sinasabi ng awakening na parang mamulat ka na, di ba? And of course, there's the strongest energy na labanan mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Five of Pentacles in reverse. Makaka-recover ka na rin about sa finances. Kabog. With the Ace of Wands in the power of the deck, ibig sabihin dito, there's a new beginning is coming. So, what is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? There's a passion, no? Kung ano talaga ang gusto mo at ano talaga yung tumatakbo sa isip at puso mo, gawin mo. And of course, there's a karmic relationship. Some of you kumaga, mayroong karmic relationship involved dito. At sinasabi dito, letting go and loving you. Mas maganda ng pakawalan kaysa, di ba? Patuloy kang lokohin at talagang budulin, no? So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's a change. No? Parang ini-encourage ka dito na kailangan mong baguhin at magbago ng eksena. At the same time, there's a healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing from the past. Diba? At the same time, there's a Sun card strength. and empowerment. Dapat alam mo yung lakas at kalakasan mo. At magkakaroon ka ng power at magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment dito. So, what is additional messages for Angel Spirit? Okay, there's a divinity by enlightenment. I told you, magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment dito. At the same time, there's a purple third eye clairvoyance, yung intuitions mo. No, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Talagang nagre-reflect dito na magkakaroon ka ng healing and of course, enlightenment and happiness. And because there's a magic, see, transformation. Kumbaga there's a magic involved talaga na, kumbaga, magic with God, no? Kumbaga, ibibigay sa ito, kumbaga, got to believe in magic, parang ganon. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, this situation is already resolved. Maaaring na solusyon at maaari na tapos na tong mga pinagdaanan mo at mga problema na yan. And of course, detach from this situation, kailangan mo na pakawalan yung sitwasyon. And of course, the person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Kumbaga, itong tao kinakausap mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan mo. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? Archangel Raphael messages, unconditional joy, no? Kumbaga, hindi masusukat at hindi matatawaran ang kaligayahan mo kahit sa mga bagay-bagay, di ba? Kumbaga, mababaw lang ang kaligayahan mo, kaya mo maging maligaya sa maliliit na bagay, no? Or pasasalamat man lang, di ba? Marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay. So, what is additional messages? Angel Spirit Guides, get more information. And of course, there's a children. Some of you may mga anak or there's children involved. Or and of course, there's an author. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, na lahat ng mga pangarap at talagang hangarin mo sa buhay mo ay ilahad mo o isulat mo sa isang papel para nang sa ganun, alam mo kung ano yung mga bagay na isa sa katuparan mo. No? At ikaw yung magdidikta o ikaw yung mag-aakda ng mga bagay na pinapangarap mong matupad. So, what is additional messages? Additional messages, angel spirit guides, there's a blame. 'Di ba? Wala kang ibang sisisihin kundi yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Nagtiwala at naniwala ka, it's your fault. Kumbaga, and of course, there's an adversity, 'di ba? Kumbaga, there's a challenges. The best way is to learn, 'di ba? Kumbaga, kailangan magpasalamat ka na lang kasi may mga bagay na natututunan ka. And of course, there's an imagination. Kumbaga, gamitan mo yung imagination mo para makapag-create ka ng mga bagay-bagay. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? A personal issue reaches resolution. See? Maaaring masusolusyonan na yung mga problema pinagdadaanan mo. And of course, you're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para maisakatuparan yung mga pangarap mo at mga kaganapan sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional chakra messages. Additional chakra is perception, di ba? Kailangan baguhin mo yung perception mo. And of course, there's an abundance. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng success and of course, talagang kasaganahan dito. Choose the right way, di ba? And of course, workaholic. Kumbaga, pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, kumbaga talaga ay talagang dedication ka talaga at talagang nakatuto ka talaga dyan, di ba? So, what is Romance Angels? Stay optimistic about your love life. So, maging positive ka pagdating sa love life na may mga tao na darating sa buhay mo para matutunan mo, no? Para marami kang matutunan sa tao na yan, hindi dahil para saktan ka lang, 'di ba? Para may matutunan ka at magbigay iwan aral sa iyo. No, maging positive ka na lahat ng mga tao sa buhay mo, may magi-stay, may mga mawawala. Now, what is additional energy? What is additional energy? Okay, there's a storm warning. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat ka ha. Biglang may unos o bigla ang pagbabago maghaganap dito. Maging aware ka lang. And of course, there's a journey. Pagdating sa buhay mo, maraming kaganapan at maraming kumbaga susubukan kang buwagin or gibain, no? Nasa sayo na lang kung singlalim ba ng pagkatao mo yung pundasyon mo. Kaya galingan mo at mag-reveal ka or galingan mo sa pag ano ng pundasyon mo, no? Galingan mo ng, kumbaga, laliman mo yung pinanggagalingan mo at laliman mo yung mga natutunan mo, 'di ba? Gamitin mo yung katibayan at kalakasan mo. Kumbaga, pain is your power. So what is the Jesus loving quotes? Jesus loving quote said, "Given shall be given to you." Ibigay mo at ibibigay sa iyo kung karapat dapat sa iyo, 'di ba? Kumbaga sinusurrender mo dapat kay God. Kumbaga ikaw na bahala, God, ikaw na bahala Ama, ikaw na bahala Universe, ikaw na bahala ang mga gabay na tumutulong sa akin. Ganun dapat. Kumbaga ayon sa kalooban mo, ipagkaloob mo sa akin. Ganon, para at least walang doubt, walang regret kasi alam mo in God will yung binigay sa iyo. So what is the angel's number? So what is the angel's number? There's a 00. I am observant. Angel asks for your attentions and open your eyes. Listen and think about everything that is happening. Trust your intuition and follow their guidance without any delays. Focus inwards through meditation and prayer. See? Maging ano ka, mapagmatsyag ka sa mga bawat sa paligid mo. Kumbaga magdasal at manalig ka sa Panginoon na lahat mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ay may ibig sabihin at may dahilan. 'Di ba? So, what is additional messages of life? And of course, sinasabi dito, appreciations. I am grateful for the abundance in my life as I direct my thoughts towards all that is wonderful in my life, in my world rather. My troubles and worries lighten with a fully heart and appreciate all that I have. Today, I accept what it is, and choose to be satisfied. I express my loving things to the universe for the wealth and that is mine. See? Kumbaga marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay. Kung karapat dapat ay sa'yo, ay karapat dapat sa'yo. Kung kalooban sa'yo, kalooban sa'yo. At kung para sa'yo, ay para sa'yo. So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Aries. This reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na po guys yung hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain na tulanin kayo ng biyaya ng langit at may kapal. Maraming salamat guys. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo. Kung asan man kayo, saan man sulok ng mundo. Para sa saan man sulok ng mundo, mahagilap natin ang energy or ang energy or yung mga aura nyo, no? Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!